Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I know it's been a while since I last made a video. I've been really busy testing out new make money online methods, but now I'm back to give you guys a report concerning the different passive incomes that I tried out. I'll be posting them here in form of weekly tips and tricks to make money online from home, and if that's something that you don't wanna miss, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on that notification bell to receive updates every single time I post a new video. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 apps that are guaranteed to pay you real money to your PayPal account with only a few minutes of work every day. Some of them don't even require any work at all. This is like 100% passive income. You don't have to spend hours on your phone, and literally anyone can get started making money online with these apps right now. So at number 3 on my list, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of those top apps right now that pay you to perform everyday tasks on the internet. For example, you could earn points for shopping online, watching short videos, browsing the web, and for even taking short surveys. In short, all that this app does is to give you an opportunity to monetize your online activity, more like getting paid to use the internet. And if you are someone that spends a lot of time browsing the internet, this is definitely a must-try app. And for how you get paid, whenever you reach the minimum withdrawal amount of $25, you can request for your money to be sent either through PayPal or in form of gift cards. And recently they also added a way to check out your money in form of cryptocurrencies. And to top it all off, they have a $10 sign up bonus when you register for the app through the link in the description below. If you wanna get started making money online today, go try out this app and receive that $10 sent to your account for free. Pro tip, however, while using this app, try to watch more 10-second videos because they'll help you reach your daily target faster, and the app kind of rewards users that reach their daily targets more frequently. At number 2, we have Field Agent. Field Agent is one of the most popular crowdsourcing apps right now that pay you real money whenever you complete certain tasks based in your locality. For example, the app can instruct you to go to your local discount store, find a specific product, and then submit a picture of it on the shelf plus its price through their app. Typically, their jobs take not more than 2 hours to complete, but they pay you anywhere between 40 rands and 150 rands for every job. To get started with this app, you need to have a bank account because they only pay through electronic fund transfers, because PayPal does not yet support making money transactions using South African rands. The great thing about Field Agent is that they do not charge you any transfer fees to deliver any payments to your bank account. So if you made 1,000 rands this month, you'll receive exactly that in your bank account. So go check out this money app, and I'll have their link in the description below if you wanna get started today. So before I reveal the number 1 money making app on this list, I wanna tell you a little bit about what I do on this YouTube channel. If you're a broke student, a single parent, or even anyone that's trying to escape the 9 to 5 and wanna have some freedom to make a full-time income from the comfort of your own home, then be sure to subscribe to this channel because I come up with weekly updates showing you all the latest tips, tricks, and methods that you can use to grow your revenue and live a comfortable life. Alright, and at number 1 we have Luno. So if you're into the world of cryptocurrency trading, you most likely have heard of the Luno app, which makes it very easy for you to trade bitcoins right here in South Africa. So how it works is that you connect your South African bank account to your Luno account, and so whenever you need to buy or sell bitcoins, you can achieve this through the click of a single button. Luno gives you options to create price alerts, which help you to automate Bitcoin transactions whenever the market reaches at a certain level. For example, you could set your account to automatically buy or sell a certain number of Bitcoins whenever the market price reaches at a certain level. Apart from that, Luno also adds an extra layer of security to your money, making it impossible for anyone else who isn't you to have access to it. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure sure to catch the next one by subscribing to this channel, and let me know down in the comment section below what kinds of videos you guys want me to make next, and I'll see you guys in my next one.